Hi, it's me, Denny Daniel of the Museum of Interesting Things. I'm doing a special box opening. It's an item that I think I might know what it is, but you never know around here. Anything goes. How's this thing even open? Sometimes these things have funny openings. Oh, there it is. Excellent. Inside here should be something really special and interesting from a dear friend who helps me with my Edison all the time, my good buddy Ed. Yep, it is. So this allows me to digitize Thomas Edison cylinder breakers. So you put this on the actual reproducer, and then it has 1/8 inch input that you can put into your tape deck or something. So now I'll be able to actually digitize my wax cylinders from Thomas Edison. How cool is that? So this is to digitize. It converts the signal. There's, I guess, some sort of pickup here that converts the signal into a signal, into audio, regular audio, and then I can plug it into a tape deck through the headphone jack. How cool is that? So this is my very first one. I've wanted one of these for 1,000 years. And now finally I got it. And this will be able to go into even your stereo, and you could play it into your,